Hello and welcome to ATI 4205. This lecture will address methods for maintaining accounts receivable and the importance of including logistical information system. The logistical information system will be defined and its different functions will be provided. In addition, the benefits of having an information system will be explained. The collected operational data will be utilized in the customer management system to capture customer feedback and customer behavior. Analyzing the data will assist in managing customers and fulfilling their demand. Part of the logistical system is the flow of transactions or cash. To maintain accounts receivable, the company can use single or multiple methods such as open invoice method, which is open until paid, or balance forwarded or forward method, which is the invoice will be added to the account balance and a monthly statement will be issued. To obtain a more uniform flow of cash receipts, many companies use a process called cycle billing. For the open invoice method, customers pay according to each invoice. When companies used to use the paperwork before, 2 copies of the invoice will be typically sent to the customer. One of them will be sent back with the payment. With the digital technology, there is no need for that. There is a digital version of the invoice and copies will be sent digitally. The payment also will be sent through digital or electronic transaction. The advantages of the open invoice method that it offers early payment discounts, which results in more uniform flow of cash collections, but it's more complex to maintain. With the balance forward method, customers pay according to amount on their monthly statement rather than by invoice. Monthly statement lists transactions since the last statement and list the current balance. This method is more efficient and reduces costs because you don't bill for each individual sale, and it's more convenient for the customer to make one monthly remittance. To manage customer accounts, we need controls to ensure that transactions are recorded accurately and properly authorized. There should be safeguard controls to protect assets from loss or theft. Policies, procedures, and standards will ensure that business activities are performed efficiently and effectively. The table in this slide lists the threats to order entry and applicable control procedures. For example, to ensure that the order is completed, the accurate customer information and correct order information, the company can apply data entry edit checks. The table on this slide lists the threats to shipping and applicable control procedures. For example, to avoid shipping errors such as wrong merchandise, wrong quantities, wrong address, the sales order will be compared and confirmed with picking tickets and packing slip. Barcode scanners can be used to confirm what was ordered with what will be shipped. In addition, now with the new technology, there is RFIDs that can be also used to make sure or confirm the order. The table in this slide lists the threats to billing and accounts receivable and the applicable control procedures related to that. For example, the threat of failing to bill customer can be controlled by separating the shipping and billing functions. All shipping documents will be compared to invoices. The table in this slide lists the threats to cash collection and applicable control procedures. The theft of cash is a common practice that can be controlled by minimizing the cash in hand, segregating duties, lockdown or lock boxes arrangement, and encouraging depositing the cash as fast as possible. The bank statement will be checked and compared to records by someone not involved in cash receipts processing. There are other concerns or threats that affect the company, such as the loss of data, and this is the main concern, which can be actually controlled by having a backup and disaster recovery procedures, and by having access controls like physical and logical, which is using username, passwords, and to ensure that only authorized personnel can get to the data. Also, the company needs to pay attention to the performance of their operations, which can be controlled by performance evaluation reports. All what we addressed leads to the need for a logistical information system, which is within the logistics system. The bigger logistical system, we need information system. As we said, we have customer relationship management system, we have information system, and all these assist in managing the logistics of the company. With the information system and it's an interacting structure of people, equipment, and procedures, which together make relevant information available to the logistical or logistics manager for the purposes of planning, implementing, and controlling the logistics. Basically, the collected and analyzed data will be available to the upper management for decision making, and information flow makes a logistical system more dynamic. Quality and timelessness of information are key factors in the success of logistical systems or logistical operations, and the ability to compare with other companies in the market. Information systems facilitate logistics management through deciding when, what to produce, store, and move. It rapidly communicating orders, also communicating and tracking order status, checking inventory availability, and monitoring levels. We can also track shipments. We can use it for planning production based on actual demand. We can rapidly communicate product design changes, and we can provide product specifications. And we can use this information to share whatever documents or whatever information we need about defects or defect rate and returns. The logistical information system combine hardware and software to manage, control, and measure logistical activities. When information flow is managed correctly, that will increase product visibility and control. It will improve knowledge of key logistics network component capabilities and capacity. It will enhance the economical value through reducing costs and increasing sales. It will create a competitive advantage, and it will create a direct link to customers. Operational data will be needed to monitor performance and control the following tasks: respond time to customer inquiries, time required to fill and deliver orders, percentage of sales that required back orders, customer satisfaction rates and trends, profitability analysis by product, customer, and sales region, sales volume in both dollars and number of customers, effectiveness of advertising and promotions, sales staff performance, bad debt expenses, and credit policies. Operational data can be used to measure the performance of the logistical system. Since we know these factors that can be used to monitor or can be monitored, then we can use it as measures of performance. Operational data will capture and integrate customer data from all over the organization. It will consolidate and analyze customer data. It will distribute customer information to various systems and customer touch points across enterprises. And at the end, it will provide a single enterprise view of customers. What will satisfy customer? What will increase the performance of the company and the efficiency of the logistical system. That will be all for this session. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you and have a great day.